Here from ACAP. Welcome to today's update for Monday and the new trading week. So we saw the mixed reaction to the non-farm payrolls last Friday. So it was interesting to see the sell-off later into the New York session, and there is some talk that was due to the gas issues at the moment between Russia and the EU and the closure of that pipeline. Now, whether or not that's fact or not, not sure, but it is a reason that's being presented out there. But we can't deny that there was a really strong fade into the New York session last Friday, and that has carried forward over into the new week. So we've seen the US dollar much firmer today in today's Asian session, and we are just looking at the EURUSD at the moment now, and it's a pretty simple equation. We can see that lower high just here, see that move down. We can see Friday's fade, and we can see today's new test lower, and that is starting to test that support/demand area down at 99.11, and we are wondering now if this is it going to be a continuation lower. Everything looks right. We just need to see a proper breakthrough now of this area to really show that this downtrend is going to continue, and that's what we'll be looking for in today's European session and US session. So US markets are observing the Labor Day holiday tonight. So, well, today/tonight, depending if you are in our time zone or in European and US time zone. But regardless of that, we are really looking to see if the dollar strength can continue, and if we do see a break of this point here and price continue to push lower. So definitely looking at from a short point of view and a short idea at this stage. And very quickly, we're just going to jump over to the the pound yen, as we're seeing not exactly the same, but there is downward pressure as well, and the pattern does look okay. So we can see early this morning we had a rally up. That's starting to see a fade now, and we can see quite a solid looking descending triangle. There's been a lot of consolidation in this period now. We're seeing a new test down to potentially could see a new test down to test that support area down here, which is the base of the pattern. We've got a lot of demand down there. So if we did see a breakthrough this area here and price getting down to this area, there could be a confirmation that this pattern is going to project downwards, and we'd be looking for under the measured move, we'd be looking for a pretty fair point lower, and it could end up around that 155 89 to 90 point. But first things first, we need to see this base of the pattern be broken by sellers, and then that move not only break out of it but hold with a close, as we've seen quite a few moves by sellers that didn't really get, they tried, but they didn't get going. They got sucked back up into the pattern. So really need to see a clear and strong breakout lower that closes lower, and then a bit of a follow-up with further lows. This just show us that sellers are really in control of the market. So that's our two ideas at the moment. So they're both shorts, and this one obviously needs a little bit more time, and but it is getting closer. We're quite interested to see what happens in the European and New York sessions today. So just back over to the Euro USD again. I want to see another strong breakout just to say that is a lower high continuation lower. So we'll see what happens. So definitely, thank you again for your time and tuning in, watching our report today. Like always, we really value your feedback. So if there's anything you'd like to add further, or if you don't agree with what I've put forward, please feel free to drop me a comment and let me know your thoughts. No one is 100% right in the markets. We're all just looking at different things and trying to do the same thing, which is pick a direction and hopefully make a bit off that. So also keep in mind that we do webinars during the week. We've got our trade zone week ahead reports coming out today. They cover the Asian, the US, and the European sessions, and we'll be, as usual, running our reports during the week, and we have our key speakers doing webinars as well during the week. So I'll try and wrap it up. This one's gone a bit longer than normal, so thanks again. Wish you good trading for your Monday, and until the next report, good trading. Bye for now.